Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to read Jolly Phonics Level 1 reader, Zack. We are going to read by blending the sound. First we have to revise all the tricky words of Level 1. So repeat after me. I, the, we, be, he, she, me, do, was, of. Let's start from the first page. Look at the picture. I am Zack. I am Zack. The is this is Zack. This is Zack. Open the next page. This is Zack's sister. Jess. This is Zack's sister, Jess. What's her name? Jess. Move to the next page. This is Rex, the good dog. This is Rex, the dog. Its name is Rex. Open the next page. Rex, Zack, and Jess are in the garden. Rex, Zack, and Jess are in the garden. There is a digraph R in the word garden. I am hot. What do you see in the basket? There are carrots in the basket. Okay, next page. Rex starts. R is a digraph. To bark. There is also a digraph R in word bark. The Rex starts to bark. Woof woof. Next one. He runs up the garden to the house. House is a diagram. He runs up the garden to the house. You get the picture? Rex is running to the house. Move to the next. This is Zack, and Jess house. This is Zack and Jess' house. Oh, look at the picture. Where is Inky? Inky is in the hole, and this is Inky's house. And what Inky is doing? And this is Inky's house. This is Inky's house.